Which number is smaller? 7 or 2? Answer is 2. Complete the pattern. 80, 90, 100? Answer is 110. Complete the pattern. 6, 8, 10? Answer is 12. Complete the pattern. 30, 35, 40? Answer is 45. Complete the pattern. 10, 20, 30? Answer is 40. Complete the pattern. 18, 20, 22? Answer is 24. Which is the largest number? 24, 6, 50? Answer is 50. Complete the pattern. 10, 12, 14? Answer is 16. Which word represents 40? Answer is 40. In 48, what is the ones digit? Answer is 8. Which is the largest number? 17, 89, 83? Answer is 89. Complete the pattern. 10, 15, 20? Answer is 25. What number comes before 48? Answer is 47. What number comes after 87? Answer is 88. Which word represents 50? Answer is 50. Which number is smaller? 68 or 38? Answer is 38. Which is the largest number? 30, 82, 46? Answer is 82. Which is the largest number? 10, 25, 29? Answer is 29. In 86, what is the ones digit? Answer is 6. Which word represents 30? Answer is 30.